welcome back. Ayodhya is all set to witness another historic Pran Pratishtha. The Ram Mandir in Ayodhya is all decked up to its divine glory for the second phase of consecration of Lord Ram along with his family and courtiers in Ram Darbar on the first floor of the temple. This will be done through a 3-day ceremony comprising Vedic mantrochar and rituals commencing from today. Talking about the significance of the timing, the event will coincide with the festival of Ganga Dashera. The newly completed sections of the temple are expected to be open to the devotees within a week following the June 5 consecration. I am being joined by my colleague Sikta Deo, who is in Ayodhya, to give our viewers a sense of what's happening on the ground. Sikta, lovely morning in Ayodhya. What are the preparations like for the upcoming ceremony at the Ram Mandir?
Well, the festivities have just begun in Ayodhya, Shubhangi, and as you can see, the devotees, the pilgrims are thronging here. We are at the temple gate, and these pilgrims are going inside to get a darshan of Ram Lalla. Just 15 months back, Ram Lalla was consecrated at this very temple, and now it's Lord Ram in his darbar who will be consecrated on 5th June, and with him there will be 7 more deities in their temples who will be consecrated. In the northeast, there will be Shivling, which will be consecrated, Pran Pratishtha of Lord Ganesha, Mahabali Hanuman, Surya Dev, Goddess Bhagavati, Goddess Annapurna, and of course Sheshavatar. So Shri Ram Darbar is the main attraction of this temple now, from baby Ram to Lord Ram, and these pilgrims are pretty excited about it, though the trust has been saying that they are not making a very big or full-fledged arrangement for the pilgrims to reach here from all over the country. They are requesting that the weather is not so good. It's quite hot here, so it's requested that you come and go for Ram Lalla's darshan and go back. And when those temples will open post June 5th is when these pilgrims can get a view of the idols which will be consecrated on 5th June, Shubhangi.
Right. Another important point is also about the significance of the timing of this entire event. If you can tell our viewers about the significance of the Pran Pratishtha coinciding with the Ganga Dashera this time.
Yeah, Ganga Dashera marks the descent of river Ganga on earth, and it's quite auspicious, and that's when the Abhijit Muhurat, the auspicious time has been decided for the consecration, which is around 11:30 a.m. on 5th June, and that's when the consecration ceremony will be happening. And the chief guest this time is Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. The trust has been repeatedly saying that we haven't called many dignitaries, and even appealing to the people around that other than the locals and the regular pilgrims who want to come for the darshan of Ram Lalla, we haven't made any arrangements. So it won't be a very big event for the consecration like we saw 15 months back, but there were more than 800 guests inside this temple complex, and there were regular pilgrims who got a chance in the evening after the consecration to get inside, but that's not happening this time on 5th June. So we need to wait and watch when the other temples, which is the Ram Darbar and the 8 more temples within this temple complex, will open for the regular pilgrims and the devotees who are reaching here. But 5th June around 10:30 a.m. is the time for consecration, and then around 1 p.m. is the Aarti time. After that, it will be declared that Lord Ram in his darbar is consecrated with the other deities in their own temples inside this temple complex, Shubhangi.
Right, Sikta, we can already see in your background that there are a lot of devotees who are already coming in for this auspicious day. And in terms of security, we also learned that the police and administration officials have placed Ayodhya on high alert ahead of the event. Of course, the ATS along with armored vehicles have been deployed around the temple complex to make people safe, to make people feel safe. And of course, we also learned that surveillance will continue round the clock in 3 shifts. What are you seeing on ground in terms of security, and are the police people deployed around the temple complex as well?
Shubhangi, since the last 1.5 years, since the Ram Lalla was consecrated here, the pilgrims, they have been coming to Ayodhya in huge numbers. Trust says it's around 80,000 to 1 lakh pilgrims per day, and today you can see this crowd is only for Ram Lala's darshan. So Ayodhya has been prepared to tackle this kind of crowd every single day since 15 months. So Ayodhya is on alert. The administration and police are working like other days throughout the year. They have been working since the consecration of Ram Lala. So no special or extra arrangements, because it has been announced and requested to the pilgrims that don't come in huge numbers. So we see the regular numbers, which is around 80,000 to 1 lakh per day. But big crowd for this consecration, Pran Pratishtha 2.0, I don't see so much crowd right now. Let's see, 2 more days to go. 5th June is the day. Maybe that day more pilgrims would want to come and get an entry to the Ram Darbar, which is the most attraction, the most biggest attraction of this mandir right now. But right now it's the regular number of pilgrims who are reaching here for Ram Lala's darshan. So not much of crowd for this consecration 2.0 right now.
Right. Thank you, Sikta, for bringing us all those details. And of course, we will be coming back to you throughout the day to get the sense of what's happening on ground. Thank you.